Hey guys. Oh my god, that was a huge yawn. This is really annoying me. I'm gonna have to fix it. I feel like a shark, you know. Oh gosh, I am exhausted. I don't know what is wrong with me lately. I've just been like having 3-hour naps and then just being exhausted. I did go up on my medication maybe about a month ago now, which was really needed, but I feel like it's made me so much more tired, so there's like 3 flies in my room right now. Anyway, I'm really sorry if you can hear the fly, but what happened was I did my eyebrows and got ready to film and then I had a nap, so these brows have survived a nap and I feel like they're doing alright, you know, like they still look pretty good. So today I am finally, I'm like 3 months late maybe, but we are finally trying out the Carnival 3 Love Tahiti. Is that what it says? No, it's like Tahiti. No, I think it is Tahiti, yeah. So, I think this palette is so beautiful and I'm so excited to play with it today. Like, stunning. And I also have 2 of the highlighters. So this collection came with the palette, 4 highlighters I think, and then some glosses. The glosses did not look like my thing at all. And I just got a couple of the highlighters. The first one I got was Juyu, which looks like this. Very beautiful. And then the second one I got is called Skin Sheen. So I'm very excited. Let's play with it. Okay. I feel like I already kind of know what I want to do, and we're just gonna go for it. I just wish I wasn't so tired. It's like I either have to be crippling, have crippling anxiety or crippling fatigue, you know? I feel like because I buy into it as well, like I feel like if I stopped, like when I get tired I'm just like, I'll have a nap. I don't really try and push through it. I feel like if I start to push through it, it'll get a bit easier, but I feel like my body is just so reliant on naps at the moment. It's just hard. But anyway, I'll get there in time. Okay, so I really want to play with some of the greens in this palette. You guys know my favourite colour. So I think I'm going to start, this is hard actually. I'm going to start with the shade here, like the dark green, and it's called Tropics. And yeah, that's what we're going to start with. I need like a small little packery kind of brush. It's so hot out here. It feels so sick. I don't even have a candle going because I don't know, do you know those like times where you feel sick and you just don't want a candle? I don't know. I feel like I'm making no sense. I actually hate flies so much. Like, is there anything more annoying in this whole world than a fly just flapping around your room? Anyway, I'm taking it Tropics now. And I'm going to put that like in my crease. I'm gonna start by like stamping it in there. It's been so long since I've done colourful eyeshadow. Like full colour, I guess. Okay, now that I've got that like on there, just need like a blendy brush and I'm just going to just blend it. Every year I get excited for summer to come around and then it comes around and I'm like, it's too hot. It'd be fine if I had an air conditioner, but I don't. Because I'm in the shed. Anyway. Alright, I need a small brush now. This palette is actually so beautiful and there's just so many colour combos. I can't believe it's taken me this long to use it. Right, I'm going in with Reef now, which is like kind of an aqua shade. It's so beautiful. I'm just gonna use that. You know what? I don't really want it there. I actually kind of want to put it like under. Alright, I'm going to take that Tropics shade again and just use that. I need to get that gone. I know that's probably not the best way to do it, but anyway. Alright, and then there's a shade called Key Lime. I'm going to take that last but not least and just run that over the edge. Okay. Alright, now I need to take, I really want to take a blue, which might be a bit hard, but we're gonna try. So what I'm gonna do first is really blend out that Reef shade, just so the blue like transitions into it quite nicely. Alright, I'm gonna take the blue called Lagoon, I think. There's the deep, no, Lagoon. Alright. I really want this on the outer corner too. Okay. Gonna take this little brush and use that to blend the blue. I was gonna do a cut crease, but I feel like I could even do a halo eye and that might look nice. So I'm just really gonna go at the edges and like just do little circle motions back and forth. It's making a really pretty shade. Alright. And then, before I decide what to do with the lid, I'm just going to give everything a blend. So I could do a halo eye and I could put that in the middle or that in the middle. That might even look quite nice. That one's called Vanilla. Oh, is it like a duochrome or did I just swatch it? Oh no, I think I just swatched it over where I swatched that blue before. So yeah, I'm not too sure. I think what I might do now though is go off camera and cut my crease. I think I'll do a halo eye, so I'll go do that. Now I'm going to, I need like a really small brush, you know? I might take like this kind of, because I'm gonna go back into the blue. What's it called again? Lagoon. And just use it to blend. Alright, and then I'm going to just like blend it again. Okay, oh, I can't tell. Should we take vanilla or Tahiti green? I don't know if that'll like blend in with it too much. Actually, I know what I'm gonna do. I have got an idea. Alright, so I'm gonna take Tahiti green first. This is such a beautiful shimmer. And then I've just got to like blend it so it doesn't look harsh, you know? And then I'm going to go into vanilla and put some of that over the top. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna fix up my face and everything, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I don't know what to do under the eyes. Maybe like the Reef shade. I might just take, yeah, a bit of the Reef shade, I guess. Alright, and then I'll take my mascara. I'm just taking the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara, and then we can try out the highlighters. Of course, I got mascara on my face. Anyway, so I picked up 2 of the highlighters. Like I said, first one is Skin Sheen, and this one looks like a duochrome, kind of like yellow, like blue kind of, and then Juyu is like a more champagne-y, pinky kind of shade. So there they are there. So that's Skin Sheen and that's Juyu, and I think I'm gonna go for Juyu today. I need to scrape this mascara off. That will do. Alright, just because I am going out, I have to go pick Sam up and go for teeth, so yeah. Anyway, let's try it. These seem like a kind of like a weirder, like a bit of a different formula. I think the mirror has a thing on it, but I don't know how to get it off. Oh, like that. Alright. Okay, so they're much more like a glittery highlight than like a glowy one, but that is so beautiful. I do really like that. Like my face looks weird. That is really pretty. Yeah, I'm super impressed with that. Yay, I'm so excited. I love this palette. I love this highlight. I'm sure that I'll like the other one as well if like this one's good, if you know what I mean. That makes me so happy. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my hair, put a lip on, and then I'll be back. Okay, and this is the finished look. I'm really happy with the way it looks. Let me zoom you in and show you the eyes. I think it goes without saying that this palette, like, it just performs so beautifully. Like, I'm so impressed, as I am with all of my Be Perfect palettes. Like, I love them. So yeah, this palette, I feel like this one is honestly my favorite out of the 3, and I know I've only played with it once, but I mean out of the 3 palettes that I have. Yeah, I'm so impressed. I love the highlight. I think it's so beautiful, and I can't wait to try the other shade. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have tried out this palette in the comments. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!